In this meditation, we are going to bring a sense of soothing, calm presence to a part of you that might be feeling agitated, anxious, worried, or in any way active and is regulating your feeling of self, presence in your life, or simply enough you have noticed that a part of you needs you to be there with it, needs to feel you in a deeper way. And this meditation is going to help to do just that. So just find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Connect with the here and now of this precise moment in space and time. Notice the earth below your feet supporting your weight. Notice the heartbeat of your heart. Bringing life throughout all your body. And take a moment to bring your awareness to everything that is above you, to welcome a bit of perspective in this life that you're living right here, right now, on planet Earth. Bring your attention to the part of you that you would like to connect to or bring a sense of presence to. You can do that by noticing wherever you feel this part in your body and noticing how it feels like. You might be feeling tension, you might be feeling butterflies, you might be feeling tingling or a tightening. Just notice how it feels to you and be with it for a moment, noticing how you feel towards it. Noticing if there's enough space to be there with this part. Noticing if your heart is open towards it. Noticing whether there's a sense of curiosity, of compassion, of acknowledgement towards this part of you that might be distressed right now. And gently start breathing into this part of you. Imagine this flow of air going from the outside through the inside towards this part of you, and let this flow of air carrying your acknowledgement of this part, your wish to bring comfort to it, your care, your compassion, or whatever else might feel genuine to you. Be with this part as you would be with a close friend of yours, without words and just your reassuring presence. Allow and invite this part to share with you anything it might need to let you know. And notice whether this part can receive this flow of air, carrying your presence and care. If it helps, you can also touch this part of your body so that you can feel you there. You can feel your presence also in a concrete, tactile way. And touch it in any way that feels good to that part. It might want just a gentle touch. You might appreciate a bit of pressure just to feel you more fully. It might appreciate being caressed. Just notice whatever this part is communicating to you that it needs right now from you. You can ask the part, what does it need the most from you right now? And see if that's okay to provide that. Or to just sit there with it in your presence with care. Reassure this part that you can see it, that you are there with it, that you know it's there, and that you're willing to be there with it and support it in whatever way it might need from you. And whenever it feels right, you can show this part that you're gonna be back, that it's not alone in whatever it's doing for you, that it's seen and heard, and that you will be back, acknowledging it, caring for it, letting it know that it's not alone in what it's doing, that you're always there for it. And take the time that you need to move from the inside to the outside world, noticing all the little details of the reality that surrounds you.